Good evening. For your plans, if you're running around town, got some errands to do, taking the kids to various practices or performances, etc., because we don't have to dodge rain, but it is hot. All right, so we know that, and it's going to stay that way here for the next several days. High heat, dry skies, really going to be the main story for the rest of the evening and a good part of tomorrow as well. Triple-digit real field temperatures. We are watching the weekend for storms, but your heat index trend, not our friend in many scenarios here, because the next few days ranging between 105, 108 each day. So let's prepare accordingly. Go ahead and prepare our bodies via extra hydration, having places to cool off in our afternoons. And generally, the way Mother Nature cools us off is those afternoon showers and storms we anticipate. But today is really not that day. The rest of our evening as well, kind of muggy, even well after sunset when we stay in those mid 80s. For your Friday, we're going to pump it up to 96 degrees, very hot and humid, with a few inland storms. So we're really watching inland southeast Georgia and then out towards Lake City. For Saturday, taking it up another notch, 98 degrees. Mercifully, we will get some scattered afternoon and evening storms. Some of these storms could be strong, though, considering the heat and humidity of the day. So Saturday, Sunday brings us our next best chance of seeing some showers. Let's go through high-res Futurecast modeling here so we can take a look kind of at our Friday. Notice those storms really kind of being painted on in a line from Lake City through Waycross and perhaps into northern Glenn County, but kind of sparing the 95 corridor and around 295 up and down through St. Johns County, Duval, Nassau as well. Saturday, a bit of a different story, a lot more moisture moving in. We're waiting for a front that's going to be approaching the deep south, so this does bring us a few more chances of some more scattered showers and thunderstorms. So kind of your big picture look at what's next. Yeah, this front making its way in from the north, kind of slowing down, fighting against some of that hot tropical air that we've got here over the state of Florida, but as it does, it will go stationary. There's your focal point for some showers, added moisture coming into the forecast for us on Sunday. I think an even better map to look at is your precipitable water map. How much water is in the atmosphere that can be squeezed out like you're wringing out a sponge in the sink as you're doing your dishes. Yeah, that real kind of saturated sponge moving in Saturday. I mean, so dark in those dark greens and reds here, plenty of water in that atmosphere to get some showers going, and that's going to be with us through Sunday and maybe even parts of Monday as well. So let's take a look, 7-day forecast for you. One thing you do notice on the 7-day, I think maybe it draws your attention pretty quickly, the consistent mid and upper 90s. Now, normal high temperatures, you see there at the bottom of your screen, would be 92. That's where we should be here for the month of July. We know it is supposed to be hot. It is July. We're in the hottest part of our year as we get towards the end of July and the 1st of August. But this is unseasonably hot. So these mid and upper 90s, taking the temperatures down a bit for better rain chances on Sunday. But even into next week, not much relief in store.
Thank you, Lou.